Hi, I'm Stanley from RLKGroup. European customers usually get one if they think they buy directly from 1688 that can buy very cheap product and they can deal with the factory directly to get most cost-efficient way to save the money. However, 1688 that is not a very good. For example, 1688 is an e-commerce platform, and that is for B2B business, also B2C. If you go to the wrong platform, you cannot get your product. You may be scammed by the factory or maybe scammed by the seller. You can find factory, of course, from the 1688.com. However, you don't know if it is really existed or it is just a trading firm. Because trading firm, some scammer will go to post their product to the website and try to scam the customer. This is not ideal, but RLKGroup can help the customer to identify the factory or if that is a trading firm. Because how we identify it, we just call them, we can go visit them, we ask for some certification. Some of the supplier, they will say they don't have an address. If they say so, then they are a scammer because they cannot tell you where they exist. They just post their product to the website and try to sell goods and try to get your money. So using our service, you can get 100% because your problem is our problem. We will take the responsibility to make sure the goods can be delivered on time. Also, the payment is a problem because the Chinese supplier may ask you to pay 100% upfront for the production. They ask them maybe not legit. Also, if you buy directly from 1688, there will be a quality concern because there is no compliance control from the supplier because you don't know what certification they have. For example, they may not have CE certification, they may not have REACH certification. For some electric product, they don't have the GS certification. It will be a problem if the product is not in quality and there is some other hidden cost. For example, if you buy directly from 1688 without a certain communication with the factory, there is hidden cost. There may be delay in shipment. If there is a delay in shipment, then you might not get the good on time and there might be a financial issue. So please contact us. We are RLKGroup that can help you for your business.
Still losing sleep over ordering office supplies from China? Let RLKGroup do the heavy lifting. If you want more insider sourcing secrets and industry tips, smash that subscribe button, follow us, and ring the little bell. Catch you next time.